look at this. You've got all the ice.
What is it today? -4.
-4 at the minute.
It's a lovely day to work on the van.
Yeah. Very, very fresh. At least it's not frozen shut.
Oh, look at all that lovely insulation on the inside. We just need a heater.
Welcome back to another Abus and Beyond video. Today we are looking at the bed, which is really cold to touch. I was going to stick to it.
You could really do with a heater in here.
It's freezing, isn't it? It's so cold. I'll be like, I'm not taking my hands out of my pocket. I'm going to just describe. So that over there, and then what I did over there was that. Right, so we're going to talk about the bed frame today, and well, the bed in total. So it's actually it's a little bit early to put the bed frame in, but it's one of the most important factors of a camper van. We knew we wanted a big bed at the back, so it was going to be kind of the reference point to make sure everything else fits. So obviously we still need to finish the sides and the roof and stuff, so it will actually have to come out, but
and the floor. But I wanted to get it in place and just make sure that the height is correct. It's not going to be too high. It's finding that fine balance between having a decent sized garage but also not feeling like you're in a coffin. I would say that's going to be a pretty big looking garage already,
yeah.
Looking at it.
Yeah, I think it will.
But we're going to experiment what we can fit under there in a bit.
Yeah. The way the...
You just touched it and regretted it, didn't you?
So the way the frame has been made, in a previous video I spoke about the brackets that we put on the side. Now they're from New Wave Conversions, and they're spot on. You know, they're made for the crafter, so they've been riv-nutted and bolted to the side of the van. That's provided a flat level support for all this aluminium strut. Now this aluminium strut has come from a place online that I shall link in the description below, but it's really good. They have loads of different sizes. This is 45 by 45 mil aluminium strut, and it has 10 mil holes, 10 mil grooves on every single side, so it basically gives us fixings points all over this frame. I ordered it in 2 meter lengths and then I cut it to size. The side ones are the full 2 meter long because our mattress is 2 meters long, and then I cut down the middle bits and use these brackets to attach it all together, and it's really blooming sturdy. I might put some middle bits in, but I think it might be overkill. You could put legs in if you wanted to, but like I say, we'll see when we put the mattress on it how sturdy it is. Now the way the sides were done, I put the mattress is this wide, so that's why it ends here, and then you have an extra bit here. This is going to be framework for cabinetry. The van actually tapers in at the back. So
other way.
No, it goes that way, like that. It tapers in at the back.
Oh, I get you.
The way I'm stood.
I see where you're going.
Which is why it's narrower here at the back than it is at the front. And what that has done is that has squared up the space for the mattress.
So now we have a nice square.
Nice square for the bed. It will... I may have to put... Well, we're going to have to put boards on the top here just to give a platform for the actual mattress to sit on, mainly because it will, I think, because once we put the sides on and stuff, the mattress will actually be brought in a bit, so it just give it a bit more support, and it'll also stop it slipping around. But we'll have a look at that another time. I've not put the I've not obviously built the boards up or anything like that. I've not got them,
so we're going to have to remove it first. So
yes, yeah. But it's fairly easy to do once you've got all your measurements correct and everything. It's good, and you can do it in whatever.
You've done a super good job, and it looks enormous, which means that we're going to have a lovely bed, because sleeping is very important.
It is. Right, now time to have a look at the mattress.
Now, we have always said that sleep is one of the most important parts of camper vanning, because if you're not going to get a good night's sleep, you're not going to enjoy your camper vanning experience. So to ensure that we get the best night's sleep, we have teamed up with ABusAndBeyond in order to get the best mattress for our camper van so we can get the best night's sleep. Now, can you help me, because it's a king size mattress, which is really exciting, but there's no way I can lift a king size mattress in on my own.
Comfort is of the utmost importance to us, whether you're sleeping in a camper van or in your home. The ABusAndBeyond mattress supports all sleeping positions thanks to a special memory foam design. ABusAndBeyond guarantee you wake up feeling your best by offering a 200-night risk-free trial period and also a 10-year guarantee. On a cold day like today, the mattress is designed to keep you warm, but then also lovely and cool in the summer thanks to its ErgoCell technology. Since filming this video, we've been using the mattress in the house, and I can confirm its comfort and warmth are absolutely amazing. And coming from a pregnant girl, that's really high praise. We can't wait to permanently install it in the camper van and get travelling in pure comfort. Even better is that ABusAndBeyond are having a huge Christmas sale, so check out our link below and in the description and use code LizzieSleep for a further 5% off on the sale prices.
Oh, it feels so soft. Nothing like new mattress day. Just want to say a huge thank you to ABusAndBeyond for working with us on slowly getting this van sorted. Now, quite a few people have said to us, when do you reckon your van will be finished? And I think, you know, it's obviously going to be a while, but the most important thing is, I think once you've got a bed, some lights and some method of heating in a van, you could pretty much use it, especially in the summer. Maybe not now, you might need some sort of heating, but you know, in the summer, if you've got the mattress, if you've got some canisters of water, a method of cooking, so a little portable barbecue, we could have gone to things like Fairford Air Show quite easily, pretty much as it is now, because it was so lovely and warm. So yeah, once you've got a mattress in, the van is finished. But in all seriousness, I think if you wait until a custom van that we are building ourselves, if you wait until that is actually finished, I think you'll never blooming use it. You know, you need to, I'm not going to go out camping today, you know, that's probably pushing it a little bit far, but once we get a heater in and we've got somewhere to sit, yeah, I might go camping. Right, so I'm really happy with the distance between the bed and the ceiling. I think at a push you might be able to sort of sit up in bed, maybe slouching if you wanted to, but we're going to have plenty of seating at the front for that, so I'm not too worried about that. But I was really important that we had a nice big garage. I really wanted, you take so much stuff when you go camping, so let's have a look at what it's like beneath. Well, one of the biggest things that I wanted to hopefully fit in the garage was the mountain bike, but I'm pretty certain it won't fit with the front wheel on. You know, that makes them really tall, but I'm just going to have a quick try to see, because it almost looks like it will do, but I think it'll be fine, you know. No, so you'd have to take the front wheel off, which I was kind of expecting, to be honest.
Oh, ran into them.
Sorry.
Very nice bike though.
Oh, thanks, like. Right, the front wheel is off.
Loads of room.
Yeah, that fits in. Ooh, good. All right, doesn't it? You need you get brackets that, you know, hold it all in place, but yeah, that fits in well, doesn't it?
And there's still then plenty of room for the, well, all the other stuff.
Yeah, so on that side there, that's where the water tank will go over the arch, and then on this side is where all the electrical stuff will go. Yeah, that falls quite nicely in line with that extra aluminium bar that I put in, which does clear the wheel arch nicely.
Move out of the way, I can have a look.
You can see.
that's in line nicely.
That's impressive. That's a really big garage.
Yeah, yeah. When you've got children, we're gonna have tons of stuff in there. Outdoor chairs, kids' bikes.
I love that you think you're going to have your bike in there.
I know. There's no chance, is there? No chance at all. For those of you who are interested, it's a giant Rain E+. So it's an E mountain bike. Because I know someone will be interested. It's very good. It's a bit of a beast. And I don't get a chance to go out on it enough. Because life gets in the way. Okay, so what's next in line for the van? Well, obviously, like I said, we need to take the bed frame back out again and store that somewhere along with the Emma mattress. But probably the next thing I need to do is all along the side here I'm going to put some battens. These will be fixed just like these top ones were, with a bit of glue and a bit of self-tapping screws into the interior skin of the van, and they'll go there. I'm going to put some there, and then also like down, you know, like vertically down these sides here. And what that will do will give me something to fix the side panelling to, which will probably be some form of either ply sheet, which will give us a side to the van, or maybe even like tongue and groove battens. But yeah, we shall see. I've got to be the good thing about ply is it's very lightweight. You know, this is the biggest thing about this van. We need to be so careful with the weight of the van, and that's one of the main reasons I went for aluminium on the bed frame. It is so strong and relatively lightweight. You know, yes, these bars have a bit of weight to them, but if I was to build that out of wood, that would have been a lot heavier, because I'd have needed more wood to get the strength that I've got out of this aluminium. Oh, what I should also mention about the aluminium bed frame, the place that we bought it from, Part On Tools, if you have a look in their website, they've got loads of different profiles of aluminium. They've also got, they sell Bosch produced aluminium, which is, you know, top-notch, expensive, same company that builds your drills and your washing machines and all that kind of stuff. But they also do their own Part On Tools aluminium, and it's so much cheaper, and that's what this is. It is spot on. You know, you don't need anything more expensive than what we've got in our van. So, little top tip for you: don't buy the expensive branded stuff, just get the Part On Tools stuff. Same with the brackets as well. There's tons of different brackets, but just get the Part On Tools brackets. Underneath the bed, we spoke about how we're going to put some boards, some ply boards, just to give us the strength so they don't fall through on the mattress. They will have big holes drilled in them, to keep the weight down, but also to keep some ventilation through as well. Otherwise the bottom of the mattress would get mouldy, so we just make sure we put big holes in, and that will also stop the mattress potentially sliding, although the weight of it I don't think is going to go anywhere anyway. Also, just wanted to check that the water tank will still fit, which it does easily. So that will go, it'll be raised up a little bit on that side, and that will be fixed to the side of the van, like so.
And we'll be very glad that it's inside on days like today.
Yeah, absolutely.
It's not going to freeze the water, so that's why we wanted a big garage as well, so we could have a big water tank.
Yeah. Another job I did, if I don't remember in one of the previous videos, I wasn't happy with how the electrical hookup was attached into the side of the van, so I've added some wood on there just to give it a bit more of a sturdy fixing, which is much better. So just a square of wood with a hole cut in the middle, and it's fixed through that instead. I know a lot of people will probably be thinking, well, maybe your bed's a bit too big. But, well, a couple of things. One, we wanted a king-size bed. Our little one likes to join us in bed. So if we're having a van this big, we're not going to scrimp on the size of sleeping arrangements that we can have. So that's really good. And also, we wanted a standard size of mattress. We didn't want to have to mess around with bespoke cutting of sheets and things like that. So, yeah, we wanted an off-the-shelf mattress. What I have noticed though is it is quite high. You can see it is quite high. Yes, I'm happy with that space, that's not an issue, but I will have to create some form of step, I think, just to get in. It would be all right, but just a little bit of a help you up step. But I'm really happy with it. It's brilliant. So there's another good look on this Baltic day here in the UK. -4 degrees, which is about -128 Fahrenheit. For those of you in America. Honest, it is. Thank you so much for watching. We shall see you in the next video. Please like and subscribe if you haven't already. Cheers! We've just popped out to get a steak bake, but also to get some photos. But I can't believe how quiet it is in here now. He says it goes over a big bump, but no, it is so much quieter than it was.
Absorbed by the bed as well.
Yeah, I think the sound's absorbed by the bed, but also I've put some more insulation in as well, which has made a difference. But
this is quieter than the Cali.
it's nice. It's really nice.